Good morning, children. Today we are going to read verbs. You have read naming word, replacing word, describing word, and now verbs. Verbs are action word. Whatever action we do is verb. For example, I will read some sentences. Listen carefully. Amit is a talented boy. He makes beautiful paintings, writes poetry, and sings songs. He even acts in the school plays. What he does makes. What he does writes. What he does sings. What he does acts. Whatever he does is an action. And that's why all action words are underlined here. You can see make is an action word, means verbs, write is an verbs, sing is an verbs, and act is also a verb. It means action words are called verbs. Now in second number, we will do a matching word. You have to match column A with column B. In column A, naming words are given, and in column B, their works are given. It means their actions means verbs are given. A teacher. What a teacher does. Teacher teaches. A dancer. What a dancer does. Dances. A chauffeur. Chauffeur means driver. A chauffeur does. Drives. A painter paints. A chef cooks. A tailor stitches. A doctor treats. A farmer plows. All these naming words we have matched here with their action. These are action words. You have to learn it. Now the next exercise we will see. Here are some words given. You can see, children. For your practice, it is good. What you have to do here, you have to circle the verbs. First of all, you will find here which word is verb. How we will find the verb word? We will see which word gives you the answer you can do. You can do means can you climb? Yes, it means it is a verb. Can you play? Yes, play is a verb. Can you hit? Yes, hit is a verb. Can you swim? Yes, swim is a verb. Can you draw? Yes, draw is a verb. Can you tree? No. It sounds strange. It means tree is not a verb. It is a naming word. Dog. Dog is a naming word also. Can you fly? Yes. And that's why fly is also an action word. You have to encircle all the action words here. Cut. I can cut. Cut is also an action word. Bread. I eat bread. I cannot do bread. I eat bread. Bread is a naming word. Ground is also a naming word. Catch. Yes, I can catch. That means catch is an action word. Wings. Wings is again a naming word. Knife is a naming word. Run is an action word because I can run. All action words, children, you have to encircle here. Now, let's see what is in worksheet 2. We do many actions with our hands, feet and mouth. You have to write here 2 only. 1 is already given. Your hands. What you do with your hands? Except write, hold, pick. Yes. Your feet. Except dance, walk, run. Your mouth. Except speak, eat, sing. Very good. Find at least 10 action words in the following verb grid. 1 is done for you. This is word puzzle. You have to find out 10 action words here. First I will show you. 1 is already given, hop, and in the first line see eat, eat is given. Second line In second line, dig, dig is given. Dig is an action word. I dig a hole. Dig is an action word. Now in third line, carry, carry is given. In fourth line, no word. Fifth line, hop is already encircled. Lay is also an action word. And second last line, drink is given. drink, drink is given. And in the last line, no word is given. Okay, children? I think you will find this game interesting. Do it in your copy. Third number. In your reader book, you have read The God of River. You have to find out 10 action words from that lesson and write down here. If you have no book, no reader book, don't worry. You have to write 10 action words from this lesson which I have mentioned here, which I have taught here. Any 10 action words you can write here. Worksheet 3. In worksheet 3, what you have to do? You have already learned that verbs express actions. Now observe the following sentences. Children, in previous pages we have learned that verbs are the words which express actions. Okay? Let's see some sentences. I think the question is easy. Here, which action is going on, children? Thinking. I think. What I do what? Think. Meera likes fruit. Meera do what? Likes. Can you hear me? Can you what? Hear. Should we invite her for the party? Should we what? Invite. It means all these actions, think, likes, hear, invite are action words. Okay, now let's see other exercise. You can see here in the help box some words are given. Move, feel, look, jump, imagine, eat, suggest, believe, throw, listen, wish and think. What you have to do in this exercise? This is very interesting exercise. Words expressing physical action and words expressing mental actions. You have to divide these words into two categories. Which works takes your physical action? You will write in this column, and this which work does not take your physical action, which will take your mental action, you will write in the column of mental action. I will give you one example for that, and rest of the exercise you will do yourself. I believe that you will find it very interesting to do. Move. Move, children. To move somewhere, we have to stand up and we have to walk or go somewhere. It means we are moving. Move needs some physical actions actually. That's why move is words expressing physical action. Second word is feel. To feel, we need not to go anywhere. Okay, children? So, it will come in the mental actions. And in that way, you will write all these words in appropriate column. Third number, fill in the blanks with verbs given in the add box. This is easy exercise. You will do what you have to do here. You have to write an appropriate word here. I will show you how. I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. What I do at 6 a.m. in the morning? Wake up. Means wake up is an action word. I dash my teeth. You will take word from this help box. I brush my teeth, wash my face and take a bath. I eat breakfast and leave for school. I board the school bus and reach the school in time. I dash there for the whole day. Which word you will find appropriate, children, for this one? I dash there for the whole day. I study there for the whole day and play during the recess. I come back at 3 p.m. and dash my homework and finish my homework. And I dash for about an hour. I sleep for about an hour and go with my friends in the evening. Okay, in this way you will fill it. Now we will see the next exercise. First of all, before doing it, we will read some sentences. Riya is a good dancer. They are my friends. A table has 4 legs. I have many pets. You can see some words are in black letters. Is, are, has, have. All these are also a verb. Sometimes verb is made up of one or more than one words. Like this, the sun is shining. You can see here that is a verb and shining is also a verb. It means here two verbs are given. The sun is shining are verbs. Rohit was talking on phone. Was talking are verbs. You will take both the verb. If this type of sentence is given and you have to ask to underline or encircle the verb, you will take both the verbs, not only single. My cousin will be visiting us tomorrow. Will be visiting a verb. Now underline the verbs in the following sentences. One example is already given here. He broke a chair. Broke is verb. Sanya won the title. Won is verb. Neeti has bought a new laptop. What I said you before, children, if two verbs are given, has, bought, you will underline both of them. Has, bought. Anshu is reading a comic book. Is reading are verbs. Ravi is a tall boy. Here is a verb. The designer made a new dress. Made is verb. Ritu invited Reema to her birthday. Invited is verb. Neha loves ice cream. Loves is verb. Close the windows. Here in this type of sentence, close is a verb. And you is hidden is this. Because in this type of sentence, the speaker who is saying this speaks to the person who is in front of him. So you is hidden here. It means you close the windows, but this is imperative sentence and you is hidden here. Close the windows. But you have to choose action word and the action is closing the window. So close you can underline. You will go for a picnic tomorrow. Will go. You can underline. Are you listening to me? Now again a special type of sentence, question sentence. In this sentence, are and listening are verbs. Okay children, are and listening, not are you. Are and listening are verbs. Mangoes are yellow. Are is verb. Okay, now some riddles we will do. In this riddles, I have a face and 2 hands. I tell you the time. Okay, I am waiting. Tell the answer. Very good. What am I? A clock. I have teeth, but I cannot bite. What am I? Very good. Comb. I swim in water. I quack when I talk to my friends. Who am I? Duck. I am bright. I twinkle at night. What am I? Yes, star. I have wheels. I run on rails. I carry passengers. What am I? Very good children. Train. Okay, hope you understood all the lessons. Hope you find this lesson very interesting. Okay, children. Now like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.